Hello students, your instructor here, John Mandela with another screencast, this one in Premiere, and we talk about some of these tools over here, the tools panel. So I have footage here and I can do basic things like if I don't want it to be that long, if I don't need all of that, if I don't need all the stuff at the beginning, it will, trim off the beginning and the end. But often you want to do or you need to do more than that. So what you can do is there's this tool here called the razor tool. I don't know if you can see it, but the key command is C. And click on this, and the razor tool is helpful. Let's say I have a point in time, I'm in my video here, and let's just say let's say right here, where I'm kind of looking over my shoulder. I want to cut that, have something else happen, and then use this other part of the video later on, or somewhere else. So I'm going to click my razor tool, and I can see the little dotted line there. I can line that up with the current time indicator, and boom, razor. So now what I can do is I can freely move this piece wherever I want to. Let's just say move it over there for now. And this will still play. So there's a gap here that's black, and now this is going to play and do its thing, right? So I can go here, and maybe what I want to do is go there. It's right at the edge of it. And go to my effects controls, and I want to time remap this, and I don't know why I would want to do this, but let's say I did, and I would stop it right there, and I would grab this little white part of it, drag it down. Actually make this a little taller, and I want to drag this down just so it lasts a long time like that. So it's going, it's almost basically frozen there, or at least moving very slowly. And what I want to do is take this and move it up to this section. It's, it's up here. And so when I get there, I will just see it turn to that. But that's not really what I want. What I want to do is blend this against this. Okay, so I go to the opacity here on this. The blend mode, maybe I want this to be overlaid for whatever reason. A little bit ghosted like that. So when it gets to here, I'm looking over my shoulder. Now this video is going on, and maybe what I want to do is right click, speed and duration, and have this last a little bit longer. So something like that, hit OK. Maybe even a little bit more. Something like this. Alright. It's going, I look over my shoulder, and then all of a sudden this kind of stuff happens. So I'm still moving a little bit, very slowly in the back, and then the layer over the top is like this. I can see it's kind of off a little bit. So what I can do then is, because it goes from the turn, I'm just, I have this, I can just move this over. Over motion and just slide this over a bit. So it's more like that. Okay? I'm going to render this so we can see what's going on. Render just this little bit. From there to there, let's say. Rendering that by hitting enter on the keyboard. So again, as we turning and then either pause or go very, very slowly, and then the piece I cut is over the top of it, that is what is blending against it in kind of a funky way. And it's rendering it about halfway. So pause, let's just finish out. Alright, that's done rendering, so let's see what that looks like just from this little bit here. There we go. So I'm kind of frozen there in time for a little bit, and then moving very slowly, and also you can see this blending over the top happening kind of slow motion. With the kind of hands waving at the sides, kind of ghostly, kind of weird. I don't know really why you'd want to do that, but you can. And now let's say what we want is this kind of thing. I'm going to go back to this point right there, and I'm going with this selected. We're going to edit, it's right here, edit, copy it, move the current time indicator right way over there, and I'm going to paste this. But the thing is, I don't want any of this time remapping business going on. So it goes like this, and then maybe I can right click on this, go to speed and duration, reverse it. Okay, so it's going to have it backward. So what would happen is it would go here, and after all that business, then it goes back to the beginning